What's going on, guys? My name is Ben and welcome to another video where I'll be talking you through the modifications I've done to my BMW Z4. So here it is, my 2006 BMW Z4 E85. The most noticeable change in the modifications to the car is the colour. This car is originally silver and I wrapped it myself in Olympic blue by Hexis. Yeah, I think it looks a lot better in blue. I was getting very bored of the silver after having this car for almost 2 years. Let's start from the front and work our way around. So from the front, when I wrapped the car, I decided to fill in and sand down the front bumper just to get rid of those number plate holes. And I also painted the front grille section just to give it more of an aggressive stance on the road. And also the yellow bars behind the kidney grills, I think they help quite well. Moving around, I've got the 18-inch M Sport wheels. I've had them powder coated in gunmetal grey with the yellow calipers behind, just to match the bars on the front. They also look fantastic when the car was silver. These mirrors have been painted gloss black with these little triangle bits as well, just to break it up slightly. I didn't want too much blue on the car, and more gloss black on these steering wheel pieces in here. The interior is pretty much standard really. I haven't really fiddled around in there. The car has been lowered by 35mm on H&R lowering springs. Although this car did have the M Sport suspension as standard, I found the back especially just rode way too high, and for a car with looks like this, it just needed to be a little bit more squatted. Also, just to bring the wheels a little bit more flush with the wheel arch, around the back we have 20mm spaces in there, you can just see, and at the front we have 15mm, just to give the car a more wide, aggressive stance, especially with the back. I think that looks so much better than it did standard. Moving around to the back, to match the mirrors, I've literally just installed actually this little thin ducktail-ish lip spoiler, as you can see there. Just breaks the back up a bit. You know, it was a bit too blue when it was standard. There's a train. Yep. Yeah, just ties it up nicely. I think I'm debating tinting the rear lights, not quite sure on that. Around the back as well we have my custom Catback exhaust system. Once again, the car that looks like this, it was too muted standard, so I find this just adds much more character to the car. And it also looks pretty good as well compared to the standard 2-litre single oval pipe, which I hated. Yeah, just walk around the car. I don't think I've actually done anything else to it. It's kind of a short video, but I do get asked what I've done to this car. There it is. In my opinion, I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I'm not really sure what else to do to it, to be fair. Just looks good the way it is. So there we have it, guys. My very short video on the modifications I have done to my BMW Z4. If you would like to see anything different done to this car, or you feel I've missed anything, then let me know in the comment section below, and I'll consider it. I am debating getting the car decatted, purely for the pops and bangs. However, I don't want to be too boy racerish. If you've watched any of my previous videos as well, you may also have noticed the audio quality through my GoPro, but I have upgraded to a clip mic, so that should be a lot better for you guys. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, like and comment, and stick around for plenty of upcoming content. Thank you.